Hi Leos, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarubyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for November 2012. Leos, there seems to be a planetary party happening. We have two lovely eclipses, a solar and a lunar. We have Sun, Venus, Mars, and we have a Mercury retrograde. Let's start with Venus. We have Venus that is going to be there in your third house. The third house is about communications, it's about network, it's about people. And it sees you, whether you like it or not, going out and socializing quite a bit, meeting a lot of people, a lot of good times. Whenever Venus comes in transits a part of your chart, she ensures that you're having a lovely time. So with all the communications, you will find that things are smoothing out as far as your communication is concerned. You will find that people are far more receptive to your ideas, your thoughts, and you will generally be getting a lot of invitations as well this month. However, we have a Mercury that is going retrograde on the 6th, and Mercury is retrograde from 6th to the 26th. It's not a great time to be buying an expensive big ticket electronic item this month, especially between the 6th and the 26th. However, like I always say, there is a Mercury retrograde and there is a reality. If you think that you cannot wait, go right ahead and pick it up, but do ensure that you have the receipts and you've read your warranty card properly. It may be that a lot of you may just go back for an exchange after some time and you will require your paperwork for it. During a retrograde also, it's not a great time for traveling. You may find a lot of your plans go awry. So do plan properly. It may be that it could cause some amount of delay or frustration. A Mercury retrograde also causes a lot of communication chaos. So be very careful, especially where your sense of humor is concerned, Leos. Your caustic sense of humor, rather. Try not to forward jokes which you may find funny. Also, for those of you who have been applying for a loan, your papers should come through. Things will get approved quite smoothly. We have Neptune that moves into your 8th house, and Neptune is a planet of inspiration, is a planet of dreams, desires, creativity, and a lot of times Neptune also tends to make you get carried away a lot with things. And 8th house is all about psychic abilities, it's about sensuality, it's about intimate issues. So try not to be manipulative this month, Leos. You're going to be quite irresistible, and you will rather have the power to be convincing somebody who may not be agreeing with you. So try not to take undue advantage of people. It could backfire quite badly. We also have Venus that is going to be with Neptune in your 4th house, and that is the house of home, where it is that you live, with whom it is that you share that space, and a lot of focus on your 4th house as well since the last month, Leos. It seems a lot of you could not just be looking at renovation. It could be that for some of you, your parents are going to be coming and staying with you, or you are exploring, looking at sharing that space with somebody else. So how it is that you will be doing things, whether it is that you move the house or whether it is that you make space, a lot of issues around your house, where it is, how it is that you live, and a lot of renovations as well along with it. Now we have the fantastic solar eclipse that is happening on the 13th in Scorpio, and it is going to be transiting your 4th house again. Now this indicates that if there have been issues with parents, and if there have been things that you have wanted to get sorted with your landlord, it's a great time to be doing this. I think for a lot of you, it is going to be speaking about I think redoing your house. It speaks about some amount of a renovation, some construction work that is happening. It also speaks about buying a house of your own. It's a good time to be doing that, Leos. And this trend is carrying on for you since last month. So do make good use of this energy. We have again a fantastic partial lunar eclipse on the 28th of November, which is going to be happening in Gemini. Now Mars and Pluto are going side by side, and Now we have Mars and Pluto that are going side by side in the last week of November, which will make you realize that if you are the one who's putting in all the effort in a particular relationship or in a professional relationship, it may just make you blow a fuse. So try not to get very worked up about that you are the one who's making all the effort in the relationship, or you are the one on the professional side who's doing all the thinking, who's doing all the work, and the rest of the people are sitting and watching. It's just a temporary phase, Leos. And we also have Mars and Pluto that are going side by side end of this month, which will make you realize that if you are the one who's been putting in all the effort in a relationship or in a project, at a work project, it will just cause an emotional outburst at this point of time. But overall, a great month for you, Leos. Have a lovely November and have a beautiful and a prosperous Diwali. I'll see you again in December, and thank you so much for watching.